What?
Called cruising to Bash. There's a street called Wabash. So now it's cruising to beach. Janice Red Solo Cup.
Jimmy Buffett style.
Jimmy Buffett style. All right. It's getting warm out now. Quiet water. We going under the bridge or under the dock? We going under the dock? Where are you going?
What?
Where are you going? Yeah, it's probably better down at Redfish, Bluefish, or Paradise. Well, let's head on down that way. The game hadn't even started yet. Dude, we just ate and it smells good. Chad, you need to learn how to relax, man. You need to learn how to relax.
I need to relax.